गोलू के लिए तो स्पेशली, मतलब ना पापा रहे, ना बहन रही, ना दोस्त रहे, कोई भी नहीं है.
I was trying a genuine friendship with you guys this season. You guys really disappointed me.
Take in whatever is coming in the best possible way, because that is life.
But I think what I'm really waiting for is feedback from my close friends and family.
कोई भी पूछते ना कि यार डायरेक्टर होना बहुत बड़ी बात है भाई, इतना.
Hi everyone, this is Kunal Kothari. You're watching me at IWM Buzz and अब तक आप मिर्जापुर के फीवर में नहीं डूबे हैं तो क्या ही मतलब, क्या ही चल रहा है. And I don't think that's possible though, and if that's possible, you've been living under a rock. So yes, of course, we are back. 4-year long wait, guys. It's been crazy. And of course, with me are two of the most important characters. Shweta Tripathi Sharma playing Golu, and of course Rasika Duggal playing Veena Tripathi. Hi guys, welcome.
Hello, namaskar.
Hello. Firstly, अभी पहले अच्छी बातें करते हैं. How's the response been so far? I know it's always the most patent question, but I genuinely want to know because this one is probably the most important because it comes after 4 years.
Well, I've just finished watching it myself as an audience, so I'm kind of absorbing the show as an audience at this point. And simultaneously sort of reading comments and reading reviews. And but I think what I'm really waiting for is feedback from my close friends and family. They're slow viewers. They watch properly. वो सलीके से देखते हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि जल्दी रहा था देखा. तो उन्होंने सबने बोला है कि 5वें एपिसोड तक पहुंचे या 8वें एपिसोड तक पहुंचे. तो अभी उस फीडबैक के लिए और एंड उन कॉन्वर्सेशंस के लिए मैं वेट कर रही हूँ.
Nice. What about you, Shweta?
It's been overwhelming because every day even I'm trying to figure out what is the best way to deal with this madness of Mirzapur, because with good comes the not so good, and how you deal with it is a learning experience. Like literally I think 6 July was my birthday. 6th की शाम से ना पेट में एक अजीब सा I was not comfortable, and that lasted till last night, yesterday, and I was trying to tell myself कि यार what I could do, we did, and I think that's very important, and that is very important to celebrate. तो personally भी ना बहुत सारी चीजें आती रहती हैं. Like for example, मेरा हुआ कि हमारा क्या होता है पॉपुलैरिटी चेक करना कि फॉलोअर्स क्या हुआ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, and I went and I was like why am I, क्या हो जाएगा, मैं अभी 1.3 पे हूँ, 1.4 हो जाएगा, फिर मुझे 1.5 चाहिए होगा, फिर 2 चाहिए होगा, फिर 20 चाहिए होगा. तो दिस इज अ नेवर एंडिंग थिंग. Why can I not celebrate the 1.3 that I have? That I have so many people who like me, my work, and who are rooting for me. So this is also happening, which I'm just trying to understand and take in, because emotions and opinions बहुत सारी हैं. So it's very important right now to filter all that and take things which will help you learn and grow.
Perfect, fantastic. Actually, that's such a apt way to put it, and kind of segues into what I was going to ask, because it's very much there that, you know, season 3, as you mentioned, anything art form in general is so subjective. It's going to be consistently, you know, have mixed opinions coming in. But यहाँ पे बात बड़ी हो जाती है because the show has that, you know, kind of fandom, the obsessed fandom, right? I want to ask that जितनी भी, I'm not saying negative per se, but जितनी भी criticism अगर आपने सुनी है, of course कुछ constructive भी होती है, कुछ genuinely अच्छी भी होती है कि it makes you think once. Has there been any such thing so far for both of you, not necessarily with the characters but with the season so far, which you have seen that okay, fine, this makes sense?
This makes sense.
You know, anything which you felt कि okay, fine, that's a opinion to have, but it's क्योंकि कुछ लोग स्लैम करने के लिए करते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है मुन्ना भैया को मिस कर रहे हैं, but he's gone, it's done. That's not criticism. Like I'm giving an example.
Correct.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard some people say, which people say very often about shows, and that seems to be one way to describe it. It is about the pacing of the show, you know. People said, I said कि slow लग रहा है हमें.
Correct.
And honestly, as a viewer, I'm always lost on this because I actually find everything very fast. So the slower it is, the better it is for me. So it suits my appetite just fine. You know, I have never complained about a show or a film being slow. And I've
Hmm.
always heard people say that a lot about things.
True.
But it's very valid feedback because people are paced differently, you know. And
Hmm.
I mean, I always noticed that I always feel like I was not made for this time. I always feel like I should have been born and in the 40s and living life at that time, because I'm quite sort of a little gobsmacked by the kind
Yeah.
of pace of life all of us live these days. So I understand that I'm different. I feel differently about this, and I have a small minority who feels like me. But yeah, I can totally understand that everybody has a
Understand that.
different pace of viewing and they enjoy some things, and that's fine. I feel like that's a feedback which is fair enough. I mean, I don't
Which
know
is
if
fair,
people
right.
take it seriously and sort of incorporate it. That's up to the creators. But yeah, I feel like you know, any kind of feedback is sort of is valid in every way.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's on you whether you want to accept it or not. And yeah,
Correct.
I mean, as actors, I have to say that we have a much easier life than creators, directors, because our involvement in the show is huge while we are filming and also huge when we are promoting. But in the time in between, we've had the privilege of distance. We've had the time to sort of indulge in other things and
Correct.
be a part of other projects. We've not been totally 100% every second of our lives invested in that show for 5 years, and therefore it's easier for us to take a comment as a feedback. But for creators, I guess it's harder because they're that much more in time-wise invested.
Correct. It's much more their baby than yours. I mean, in
It
the
is.
context.
It is, I have
Yes.
to say so. That's why I feel like the job of a director creator is so much harder. Director को वो काम मुझसे नहीं होता.
मुझे कोई भी पूछते ना कि यार डायरेक्टर होना बहुत बड़ी बात है भाई, इतना
It's such a tough task. It's
I
such
know.
you have to, I mean, you know, filmmaking is such a personal process but such a collaborative one, and you are really the person in charge of making that collaboration work, because that house of cards can collapse anytime and you are kind of holding it up and the day you lose it as a director, it's all gone.
True. True. Anything you want to add to that, Shweta?
For all of us, what is very important right now is to take the feedback but not react to it, क्योंकि अभी भी ऑडियंस भी react कर रही है. तो I think the wiser thing would be for it to settle down, for us also then to sit to figure out with characters, with writers or whatever it is that हमें क्या लगता है. मुझे जैसे I have a certain opinion as an audience, as somebody who's had I don't know 10 years or whatever in the industry, तो I don't want that to be tainted or colored by बाकियों की opinion, क्योंकि
Correct.
क्या होता है हम बह जाते हैं कि जो कह रहे हैं ना हम लोग हाँ हाँ यार करेक्ट हाँ ये भी सही है वो भी सही है, तो आप अग्री करो पर आपकी अपनी ओपिनियन को आप डाइल्यूट मत करो, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट मेक्स अस,
True.
वही
True.
हमारी इंडिविजुअलिटी है. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स take in whatever is coming in the best possible way, because that is life. We want to improve as actors, as storytellers, तो वही कर करके मेहनत तो करते ही आ रहे हैं, करते आएंगे.
Correct. Fabulous, fabulous. That makes absolute sense. And you know, I have one question for each of you when it comes to your characters, because I've been invested in the show just like everyone has since its inception. And interestingly, for me, also, I was one of those people did feel the pacing, you know, went up and down and everything. But the last 3 episodes just made it for me. It went to a high where I didn't expect it to be going, and it just, you know, ended on the perfect note, which is a really good thing to have, because obviously it's a cliffhanger for season 4. So my question to each of you is that for Golu especially is that, you know, it's taken 20 episodes. I'm saying 20 because I'm purely including season 2 and season 3. I'm not including season 1. 20 episodes for her and Guddu to arrive at that moment where they've finally arrived in the. And of course, I mean, it's spoiler alert. Everybody knows, everybody's seen so far, so we can't talk about it. At that point, at that moment, emotionally together after all this time, which is fair. You know, it feels fitting that it took that much time. But my question to you is that because Golu is the brains in this, you know, in this setup. Of course, she's vengeful and she also has a thing. But वो फिर भी इकलौती बंदी है वो सेटअप में who's thinking from her brain and trying to make sure that there's not mayhem all the time. So अब जब सीजन 4 आएगा या जो भी उसकी ट्रेजेक्टरी आगे बढ़ेगी, apart from the budding love story bolo ya jo bhi bolo unka collaboration, what how it's going to be with Guddu, how does that make sure कि अभी भी 3 season के बाद भी why will revenge still be that much of a continuous motive, or will it be a much more evolved way of looking at things from Golu's side?
बाप रे, ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं है, because I think director and writers, they will be able to answer better. The thing is, because I myself don't know, and I have जब मैं ये scene ही कर लिया था, I'm like, where are we going from now? Because what is Guddu and Golu's love language?
Correct.
Like seeing them together, कि ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि अब मतलब they are very warped individuals.
Correct.
Now them coming together, and I really don't know if वो किस टाइप के कपल होंगे, because right now what happened was this surge of emotions where Golu is dead and Golu thinks Guddu is dead, and these two are the only people we have for each other.
Right, of course.
कुछ है, बट इन दोनों की दुनिया में आप इसी गोलू के लिए तो स्पेशली मतलब ना पापा रहे, ना बहन रही, ना दोस्त रहे, कोई भी नहीं है, ना सपने नए रहे, ना पढ़ाई रही, ना कॉलेज प्रेसिडेंट वो रही. सो आई थिंक अ लॉट हैज चेंज्ड, एंड that is how it should be, that we are living in the now. You celebrate small things or big little things that the person, the only person who you can hold hands with is at least alive. क्योंकि आप सोचो अगर गुड्डू मर जाए तो गोलू की जिंदगी क्या ही है? Who is she fighting with?
Absolutely.
मतलब I really am hoping कि season 4 में बस हम बिना भाभी को गुड्डू और गोलू अपनी साइड ले लें. There, that is the best. Nobody can win against.
Yeah, I was trying a genuine friendship with you guys this season. You guys really disappointed me. मैं तो फाइनली सोच रही थी कि मेरे पास फ्रेंड्स हैं.
फ्रेंड्स है और कोई तो बनने नहीं वाला फिलहाल. बीना भाभी का फ्रेंड तो ये दोनों ही है फिलहाल.
बनना भी नहीं चाहिए.
Correct. And that gets me to your character, Rasika. Of course, Beena, it's been such a roller coaster ride for you. Season 1 was pata tha ki build up hai, it's going to go somewhere in season 2. Season 2 saw that high, Beena going bananas and doing the things she did and everything, because obviously for her own reason. But somehow season 3 once again felt like more like a build up. Like, she's there, but she's not quite there. And you knew that her reunion with Kalin Bhaiya is going to be inevitable. But how is going to be, like, how do you look at this trajectory? Do you look at it as a roller coaster? Do you feel it's a natural progression that you're quite happy with?
I mean, for Beena, the meeting with Kalin Bhaiya was far from inevitable. She was in fact, for Beena, not for me.
Right.
She was hoping that would not happen. I mean, she was hoping against hope. She was actually for the first time being a little delusional about a couple of things. Even though she had a plan in place, the lure of that plan was so much. The idea that she could possibly rule Mirzapur till she can hand it over to her child. And start believing in those dreams and those fantasies at some point, right? And then reality hits you when she meets Kalin Bhaiya. It's almost like she's back to square one. And that when a story goes through several seasons, you have to sort of understand that there will be these different sorts of moments for a character like you, and you have to trust that they're there for good reason. You're quieter one season, you're more active another season, you're more silent, but still sort of making the impact that your character makes in every way. So I kind of accept that, and I feel like if you have to be a part of something which goes into different seasons, you have to accept that this will happen all the time, and that the decisions, the creative decisions made are for looking at the entire narrative as a whole. And so I totally respect that.
Perfect, fantastic. This is my last question, and it's more so like an observation for me after watching the season. And usually people keep talking about how जब अगर कोई Indian show अच्छा लगता है, इतना fandom होता है, they try to say कि अच्छा इसका ये ज्यादा लग रहा है, ये वाले show का ज्यादा लग रहा है, और copy लग रहा है, whatever. for a change here, I was actually, I don't know how intentional was it. So that's the question I'm getting at. How intentional was it that it's very thematically like Game of Thrones right now? And it is so much. Like there are literally sequences, there is literally, there is a character arc, each and every character literally, and we are talking about the Mirzapur ki Gaddi anyway. So, but I mean this in the best way possible. I do not mean this in the way that, okay, why is it GOT-esque? No, it's not. Because, you know, when you see Kalim Bhaiya having his moment and, you know, having like a very Cersei Lannister-esque sort of an arc, then, you know, killing a cross in the penultimate episode, everything, even, you know, Priyanshu Panjali's Robin dying the way he does. How much was that a factor for each of you, considering if you have seen the show? Again, sometimes it's just thematic adaptations that really make for, you know, good viewing when you Indianize it in a very different way. Was it a thing for you?
I mean, I wish I could answer the question. I'm one of the few people in this world who hasn't watched any.
GOT. Okay.
But this question, this comparison comes up so often that I am now, because of Mirzapur, tempted to watch. So maybe I'll be spending the next few months watching seasons and seasons of GOT.
Right.
Shweta's probably better equipped.
Shweta can answer it, yeah.
यार मैं तो ये सुन के खुश हो जाती हूँ कि मतलब हमारी सेम ब्रेथ में जीओटी और मिर्जापुर का नाम लिया जा रहा है बिकॉज बी टिरियन और सर्सी और खलीसी और आर्या स्टार्क जॉन स्नो इट्स फुल ऑफ दीज वंडरफुल कैरेक्टर्स हु आर सो अनप्रिडिक्टेबल एंड अगर वो एहसास मिर्जापुर में हो रहा है then that is a huge win for us. And you know, चाहे slow या fast, the thing is, Mirzapur is not about bam 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 boom 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 shoot
Correct.
shoot. ये सब मतलब that could be bits and parts of it. It is भोकाल, but I really say this, and मैं मजाक में नहीं कह रही, but I really think Mirzapur is a lot about relationships as well.
Of course.
It's about who is joining hands with whom, क्या mind games खेले जा रहे हैं. And I get it कि आजकल की दुनिया में ना वो TikTok की दुनिया में हम जी रहे हैं. तो ऑडियंस की दिक्कत नहीं है. Also, there is another thing, anxious viewing. कि as soon as out, people want to finish it because they waited for 4 years, and that is a very long period, and there's no denying that. But all I can say is that us as actors and makers, we were really trying to give it our best. मतलब कोई हम जानबूझ के किसी को वेट कराना हमारा वो था ही नहीं. हम तो बस कोशिश कर रहे थे. पैंडेमिक आ गया 1.5 साल में बीच का, तो वो सब कुछ स्लो डाउन हो गया. बट ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट इंटेंशनल. द ब्लड, द गोर, द violence, as a lot of people say, it's definitely there, but so are the emotions, so are the graphs, so are the what are these guys. गुड्डू गोडू तो ये कॉलेज के बच्चे थे जो मतलब त्रिपाठी की हवेली में बैठ के ये चला रहे हैं. So I think there is so much more to take, and I'm not saying कि अगर आपको पेस स्लो लगा तो सही है गलत है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. But I'm saying that there is a hangover, and there is no denying that. It stays with you. What the characters did, it bothers you. That I think is good tell. And now, चाहे जिसको भी जैसा भी लग रहा हो, पर सब कह रहे हैं सीजन 4 कब आएगा.
Of course.
कहीं कुछ तो बात है इस कहानी में, इस दुनिया में कि you want more of it.
You couldn't have put it better. That's exactly what I was gonna say. That कोई कितना भी कुछ भी कह ले, Mirzapur is going to be a constant. That season 4 कब आएगा, अगर 5 है तो 5 भी कब आएगा, it's just going to keep a factor no matter what happens. And thank you so much, guys. Been such a pleasure talking to you. I love in instances like this where you can decode the show and decode the characters a lot more. So thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and of course season 4 jaldi aayega, I'm sure.
मैं Game of Thrones देखने जा रही हूँ.
Yes, next time Visu, I'm sure you're going to be up on Game of Thrones now. For sure. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye.